a Chefs Forum event where we've had lots of different chefs from lots of different restaurants come to cook with students to help inspire them and show them a different angle of food that maybe they're not used to. Yeah, we had a couple of young chaps, really nice, really enthusiastic, got involved with plating and the cooking as well, which is really nice to see. Really important in the industry at the moment, seeing as everyone is struggling for staff, and there's so much opportunity for young chefs now, I think. And the culture has changed in kitchens so much that actually now these young chefs are actually coming into a very nice atmosphere. The kitchen we were in is our cookery school, so we use that for events, but the main kitchen is designed along the same lines, so there's big windows, there's lots of light. You know, we wanted to create a nice airy place for chefs to come and work in, and somewhere that's happy and, you know, enjoyable. Seeing where your vegetables come from, where anything comes from, is really important. Being able to have that point of communication with your supplier is vital, especially if you want some sort of ethics behind your business or some story. You need to know what they're doing from the ground up.
I think it's important to inspire all chefs, but I think for me personally, certainly young women in the industry, having somebody that's actually head chef, so you're a manager, and trying to break down that stereotype, I think it's really important. We really need strong people that are passionate and want to work. It's a really exciting day out. It's more engaging, interactive. It's actually going to inspire them, show them what it's really like to send a big function. In one day, they've worked with 7 different chefs from around the Cotswolds, and we've all shown them what we like to do, what inspires us, and all of that's happened in one afternoon. The exec chef here was actually my first head chef when I started at the Ellenborough Park. I met him, I was doing a competition. He was judging it, I was 15 at the time. I won the round, so I got a week's work experience at the Ellenborough Park. So it's really nice full circle actually, because he gave me my start in the industry.
These events are really important, just being able to meet the students, meet the lecturers, really get them involved and try and bridge that gap. It's so important for the industry. So it's really important to introduce the students, the suppliers, get them to meet them, see what they do and talk to them, because one day that is their market, they're going to be selling to them, and it's great for them to know what they do and what they can do for them. I think they're all future stars in that kitchen, to be honest. They're all really enthusiastic, all interested. A few of them today, I've given my number to, so we can get them in, get them on some trial shifts, and see if we can work with them in the future. The hospitality industry is really facing one of its biggest sort of trials at the moment, and it's recruitment. So events like this is fantastic to really get to meet the students, figure out who's local to you, who you can sort of work with, introduce them and sort of get them on board to try and, you know, help yourself up with some jobs, but also really bring along the future of the chefs in the front house.